friends, welcome back to my classroom. Are you ready to learn about stretchy sentences? The first thing we have to do is determine what the word stretch means. To stretch something is to make it longer, but making it longer without breaking it. And even though I don't think you can break a sentence, let's look at how we stretch a sentence. Let's look at an example of a sentence we want to stretch. I went on vacation. One great way to help us stretch a sentence is to ask ourselves some question words. Who, what, when, where, and why. Let's answer 3 question words to help stretch our sentence. The first question word is when. When did I go on vacation? I went on vacation last summer. Where did I go on vacation? I went on vacation to a cruise. Can you see how the sentence is getting more stretchy? Now let's ask who. Who did you go on vacation with? Well, I went on vacation with my sister. Okay, let's compare our sentences. I went on vacation was stretched to last summer I went on a cruise vacation with my sister. And remember, we stretched our sentences by asking and answering some questions. Let's look at another example. I love playing. That is a complete sentence, but let's make it a stretchy sentence. We're going to answer the question, what and when you love to play and who you love to play with. What do you love playing? You love playing soccer, so the sentence is I love playing soccer. When do you love playing soccer? You love playing soccer over spring break. Our sentence is getting very stretchy. And who do you like to play soccer with? You love to play soccer with the boy who lives next door to you. Can you see how asking and answering question words can stretch a sentence? I love playing stretched to I love playing soccer over spring break with the boy next door. Now, let's talk about why a stretchy sentence is better than other kind of sentences. When we write or when we speak, our goal is to communicate information to the reader or to the listener. Which one of these sentences gives more information? My puppy is playing in the yard, or my puppy and I are playing frisbee in the yard. The sentence, my puppy and I are playing frisbee in the yard, is definitely more interesting. It answers what we are playing, frisbee, and who is playing, my puppy and I. Let's look at these 2 sentences. George is coming over, or George is coming over to my dad's house to work on our school project. The sentence, George is coming over to my dad's house to work on a school project, gives more information. It says where and why. Remember to ask yourself some questions like who, what, when, where, and why to make your sentences have more information. The more you practice writing stretchy sentences with question words, the better you'll get at writing stretchy sentences. And remember, just like stretching is good for your body, writing stretchy sentences is very good for your storytelling and communicating. If you like this video and you learned a little something, click the thumbs up button. To come back to my classroom again, click subscribe. Thank you for coming to my classroom today. I hope you learned a lot. I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.